Hello guys, so welcome back. So guys, today you all welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, today I'll be doing a live withdrawal on this long-term project for you guys to see and witness everything over here. So guys, before I even proceed with my withdrawal and everything, let me first of all go back to my Binance wallet and let's just check my current balance on my Binance portfolio over here. So guys, as you can see over here, guys, I'm currently having only 61.3 USDT over here. So guys, I'll just go back to this platform over here, click on this mission button over here. I'll just click on the mission button, then you can see that another page will pop up where it says I should go to finish. So I'll just click on this go to finish over here, right here. You see that I could load for a while, then it says completely successful. So over here guys, all I need to do again is to click on this withdrawal button over here. Once I click on this withdrawal button, another page will be open for me where I will input the total over here. Then I'll type in my security password over here, which is real quick over here. So I'll input my password over here. Then I'll click on the confirm button and it says withdrawal succeeded, guys. It says withdrawal succeeded. So guys, I've done a lot of withdrawal on this particular platform over here, and if you guys want to witness or if you guys want to see my withdrawals over here on this platform, let me go to my financial records by clicking on this me option over here. Then I will go to my financial records over here. So guys, for my financial records, let me check my withdrawal account over here. So let's check my withdrawal account over here, and as you guys could see over here, you guys could see that I've been making withdrawals so many times over here, guys. As you can see over here, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Guys, I've made all these withdrawals into my Binance account, and you guys, I can show you proof over here that, guys, as you can see over here, 1.5, as you can see 1.5 over here, as you can see 1.5, 1.20 over here. All this deposit came in from this particular platform, guys. So in order for you to register, in order for you to earn with this platform, kindly use my referral link in the description box below so that you could be able to sign up a new account. And for you to sign up a new account, go and watch the previous videos I did about this particular platform, guys. Today is 14th October over here, as you can see, guys, and I'm still earning with this platform for about a week. For about 2 weeks now, I've been earning with this platform and it's making a massive profit for me, guys. So all I need you guys to do is to jump onto this platform by just signing up a new account with this platform over here. So let me log out and show you how to basically register a new account over here. So I'll just click on this withdrawal. So guys, as you can see, boom, my withdrawal is in 1.5 USDT is in, and guys, I'm making a lot of profit, guys. As you can see, 1.5 USDT is in. So guys, let me show you how you guys should basically register a new account over here. So for you guys to register a new account, you just need to type in your email over here, your password, your security password. You include any information on WhatsApp or your Telegram over here, invitation code. So remember to use my referral link so you could be able to get the invitation code. So guys, for me, I'm already having an account, so I'll just click on the sign in button over here real quick over here. Let me input my password, then I'll just click on the sign in button over here. So after signing in over here, as you can see, a message will come saying that, so you just click on the I know button over here. So as you can see, my withdrawal has been successful. My withdrawal has been successful over here, succeeded over here. And guys, let me show you from my Binance wallet. So guys, like I showed you, my main balance was 61.2 over here, and now it's 62.8 over here. So guys, we are making money from this platform. Remember, there is no harm in trying. So guys, you all need to try this time around and let us make money. So guys, once again, thank you for joining Crypto Denzel TV. Bye.